Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use XML file in Alight Motion. Open Alight Motion, tap Projects, then import and choose the XML file to bring presets or keyframes into your project. Match dimensions and frame rate if prompted, and then adjust layers to fit your composition. Preview the animation, tweak timing, and save a copy before major edits to preserve the original XML settings. Work in small steps for safer edits. When an XML imports, start by renaming and grouping layers to stay organized and avoid confusion later. Scale and reposition assets so they line up with your composition grid or guides for consistent framing. Apply blending modes and masks when elements need to fit backgrounds or other footage. Scrub the timeline and correct any misplaced keyframes, then use Save As to keep a backup of the imported XML version. If an XML import shows empty placeholders, verify source media paths and relink any missing files to restore visuals. Some effects may not transfer exactly, so be ready to recreate or substitute unsupported features with native Alight Motion tools. If imports fail repeatedly, update the app, clear cache, and restart your device before retrying. Keep backups and test small imports to catch issues early and avoid losing progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.